Assalamualaikum and good day to Prof. Siti Hajar Binti Muhammad Ali. I'm Siti Zuraina Binti Ismail, a student PJJ. Today I want to make a presentation for a financial ratio analysis for companies Stay Safe for 2018 and 2019. Firstly, before I start for the presentation about the calculation, I will give the introduction for the financial ratio analysis. Financial ratio analysis is the most common form of the financial analysis. It's the calculation and comparison of ratio which are derived from the company financial statement. From the ratios calculated, they can be used to make inference about the company financial conditions, its operations, and attractiveness as an investment. Financial statement will only reflect the expenses, income, profit, and the financial position of the company. In these calculations, it calculated and make comparison between year 2018 and 2019 in Stay Safe company. It will more meaningful if we know the performance of the company in general, and this can be done by calculating the financial ratio of the company and the analysis system. There is 4 types of financial ratio. That is liquidity ratio, efficiency or can call activity ratio, leverage ratio, and profitability ratio. Okay, I'm continue for the explanation for calculations Stay Safe company for 2018 and 2019. Okay, the first one, what I'm said just now, financial ratio analysis have 4 types, and the first one is liquidity ratio. Liquidity ratio, this is used to measure the ability of the company to pay back its short terms obligations or debts. Okay, under the liquidity ratio have 3 types. That is current ratio, asset test ratio, and net working capital. Okay, the first one, current ratio for 2018 get 1.4 times compared to 2019. 2019 get 2.5 times. That means current ratio for 2018 is lower than the year 2019, and this could be due to the year 2018 having lesser current asset or maybe higher current liabilities as compared to 2019. And the second one is asset test ratio. Asset test ratio for 2018 is 1 times compared to 2019. 2019 is 2.22 times. That means the asset test ratio for 2018 is lower than 2019, and this also could be due to the 2018 having more inventories compared to the year 2019. And the last one is under the liquidity ratio, we calculate for the net working capital. Net working capital for 2018 is 800, and the 2019 is 2,700. Net working capital is also very much lower than year 2019, reflecting the 2018 current assets are lesser than 2019, and current liabilities are much more than year 2019. Under the liquidity ratio, overall the liquidity after the calculation we get the liquidity of the 2018 is very much lower than the year 2019. Low liquidity means if the company wants to apply loans from a bank or creditor, maybe banks and creditor will not approve the loan because the ability to pay back is low. So what we calculate for the 2018 and 2019 in Stay Safe company, we get 2018 is a low than 2019. Is maybe when the Stay Safe want to apply a loan, it's difficult because the 2018 is more low than the 2019. And then I continue for the explanation for the second type of a financial ratio analysis. That is efficiency ratio. Efficiency ratio, that is ratio is to test whether the company is efficient or not in its asset utilization. Under efficiency ratio have a 6 type, but we calculate only a 3 item, 3 types. That is the first one is inventory turnover, average collection period, and the third one is fixed asset turnover. Okay, I explain for the first one. inventory turnover. Inventory turnover for the 2018 is 1.25 times. And the 2019 is 2.4 times. So inventory turnover of the year 2018 is also lower than 2019, and this could be due to lower sales or the 2018 having too much inventories. And then for the second one is average collection period. Average collection period also about a days. Okay, for 2018, after calculate, we get 72 days, and compared to the 2019, we get 66.85 days. So average collection period of 2018 is too long, and this means the customer are taking on the average about 72 days to pay back the account receivable, or we can call credit sales, and this will affect the company on 2018 on working capital. The company on 2018 is not too strict in its collection policy. Okay, I continue for the third one under efficiency ratio, that is fixed asset turnover. Under the fixed assets turnover, in 2018, we get 1.19 times. Compared to the 2019, it's 1.55 times. So fixed asset is used to measure the effectiveness of management in utilizing all the firm fixed asset. Fixed asset turnover of 2018 is low turnover ratio compared to 2019. That may indicates the firm is underutilizing the fixed asset. Okay, I continue for the explanation under the financial ratio analysis for the third types. The third types, that is leverage ratio. Okay, what we can say for the leverage ratio, this ratio are used to measure the extent to which the firm has been financed by debt, or whether the company borrow a lot or not. Okay, under the leverage ratio also have three types. Okay, I explain for the first one. First one is debt to asset, or total debt and total asset. Total debt and total asset. Okay. For 2018, we get 0.6 times, and compared to 2019, we get 0.44 times. Okay, debt ratio is used to measure the percentage of total funds or total debt provided by the creditor. So 2018, what we can say, has borrowed much than 2019, because gets 0.6 times compared to 2019, only 0.44 times. Okay, that means 2018 is against the rule, where the rules of thumb that not have debt ratio exceeding 50%. 2019 is still in the rule, where the debt is still under 50%. Or what we can say, 2018 is 60%. That means exceeding from the rule that not borrow more than 50%. So 2019 is still under the rule. Okay, the second one is second one is time interest. Time interest is about earning before interest and taxes, and interest charges. Okay, 2018 we get 16 times, and 2019 is 32 times. It is used to measure the ability of the firm to pay off its annual interest expenses. 2018 have a low ratio, that means it's having problem in paying off its interest, compared to 2018 that have a high ratio. That means if more high, what we can get more high is easy. What we can say, if you get a low ratio, have a problem to paying the interest. In this calculation, in stay safe company, 2018 low than 2019. I'm continue for the third one under the leverage ratio, that is debt to equity. Debt to equity ratio is used to measure the portions of firms long-term debt as compared to its equity. A high ratio indicates a high borrowing and a low ratio indicates a low amount of borrowing. Okay, under stay safe company, in the year 2018 we get 0.78 times compared to 2019, get 0.84 times more than 2018. Debt to equity is used to measure the portion of firm's long-term debt as compared to its equity. Like what I explained before this, year of 2018 is low borrowing than year 2019 that have a high amount of borrowing. Okay, so I explained for the last type of the financial ratio analysis, that is profitability ratio. Profitability ratio, it is used to measure the profitability of the firm, or in other words, to measure management overall effectiveness as shown by the return generated on sales and investment. Okay, in a stay safe company, also we calculate 3 items. Okay, the first one under the profitability ratio, that is gross profit margin. Okay, the gross profit margin used to measure the profitability of the firm, on, in other words, to measure management overall effectiveness as shown by the returns generated on sales and investment. Okay, under the 2018, we get 80%. Compared to 2019, we get 82%. Year of 2018 having lower percentage than year 2019 that having a high margin. That's mean 2019 that having high margin indicate the effectiveness of management. Sales is high and cost goods can be contained and or declining. Okay, the second one is net profit margin. Okay, net profit margin for 2018 is 42% or 0.42, and the year 2019 is 0.46 or 46%. It used to measure the ability, the net profit is used to measure the ability of the firm to generate the net profit for every ringgit of sales. Okay, that's mean 2018 we get low margin indicates a low profits, and 2019 is high margin indicates a high profits. Okay, the last one is return on investment. Okay, return on investment is about earning after tax and total asset. Okay, on in a year 2018 we get 30%, and the year 2019 we get 36%. Okay, for return on investment, what we use to measure the rate of return on total asset. Okay, what we can say for the 2018, 2018 is low rate of return on total asset because only 30%. Compared than 2019, that is having high that high having return generates by it asset because get 0.36 or 36%. That is the explanation from me about the calculations financial ratio analysis for stay safe company in 2018 and 2019. After make the calculation for the financial ratio analysis of the stay safe company in the year 2018 and year 2019, we can make the conclusion by compare which year is having much better. So after I calculate 4 types financial ratio analysis in stay safe company, I can decide that 2019 is much better compared than 2018. Okay, what I can say, for example, in one type that is liquidity ratio of the year 2018 is very much lower than 2019. Low liquidity means if company wants to borrow, want to apply loans or from bank or creditor, maybe bank and creditor will not approve the loans because the ability to pay back is low. So 2018 is low compared to 2018. So what we can say, 2019 is easy to get the loans from the creditor compared to 2018. That is all of from me about the financial ratio analysis in Stay Safe company about comparing 2018 and year 2019. Thank you very much.